this particular bridge, going towards the, you can see all this construction to the left and right. And we're going to be going over to this island where the Hong Kong ferry is at. Look at all that construction. So that's going to be all new stuff over to the left. You can see the cranes already. And then this bridge right here is what we're going to be taking, and then we're going to go to an island and walk around with the camera and kind of see what we can see there today. I'll put it up on the map so you can see exactly where we are as well. Okay, we got another slice of Macau for you. Let's put this up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. Without further ado, let's just get right into it as if you're there yourself. Another slice of Macau. Let's do it. So now we're further down the bridge. You can see more of this construction, all the cranes. So they're building quite a bit over there. And we're going to be checking out what is already built over, well, you'll see in a moment. Here's some of the construction, so someday that'll all be different. Capturing it right now in 2025. More of it right there as well. We're gonna see if we can, if I can park somewhere I will, or I might just have to just drive through and just kind of see. Over there is the, goes to Hong Kong there. See all of the construction. If I can get somewhere, if I can walk around, I will. Don't know if I can or not. So here's some of it already that's built. If I can find a place to park, I will, and I'll try to walk around some of these streets. Looks like there's a bus stop right there, so it looks like there are I don't know, maybe I'll try to pull over right here. So yeah, so actually this is something that's built. I can see they're bringing some mattresses. There's actually a public parking garage right there as well. And there's people walking around a little bit. So we are actually able to kind of see what this looks like a little bit. If I can find some street names, I will. We'll just kind of walk around and just kind of see what we can see. But it looks like there's more construction over there. I do want to capture it because someday this will all be fully developed, and then we can see exactly what it looks like at this point in time. Hello. There's the Hong Kong bridge right over there. So I guess what I'm going to try to do is just kind of walk into this a little bit. Yeah, someday maybe we can see what this looks like when it's fully developed. And then now we'll have an idea of what it looks like right now in time as well. I don't know if these streets have names yet. I don't think that they do. Oh yeah, no. Alameda de Zona Este. The road of the East Zone. So there are some kind of names here. Yeah, and you can see all the construction down there as well. Huh. This is really interesting. Yeah, it looks like there must be some residents here too, because there's people that are kind of meandering around, and there's vehicles, and I think this little red sign kind of indicates that this is something new. Local Sewell. Let me just kind of see. So there's actually a name, Local South Block, and I guess there's 32. Okay. So we're kind of getting an idea what it looks like. So yeah, this is actually quite exciting just to be able to see. There's a Edificio Tong Chang. And I don't think that we have street names yet at all. So if I see any, I'm going to try to film particular streets. You can see that over there too. So yeah, all of this is just brand new stuff. Avenida de Mar de Espelho. So it looks like there are some street names. We can see it right there in yellow. So I don't know what street name that will be, or if we're on it already. Nothing is like clearly labeled yet. But yeah, so something is going to be Avenida do Mar de Espelho. Should I label this accordingly? Huh. More buildings all the way over there. Construction all the way over there. Looks pretty cool. And then that's the Hong Kong right there, all the way down. So that one, that's basically one island over there, and then we're on another island here. Huh. It's actually got sidewalks and everything now. Here's another Avenida de Teon. Huh. So I don't even know which way to go exactly. There's Teon right there, I guess. And I guess we have, pretty interesting. I'd like to walk down a little bit, but I think it's just going to be all construction. So I think what we'll do instead is we'll go across or that way. It looks like they're building part of the street over that way. It's like one big giant construction area, to be honest. So yeah, they're still building the streets, the curbs even. And I think that one goes all the way over to Macau. Pretty interesting. So you got a little taste of some of it. And we saw some of the streets as well. I'm kind of debating if I should go get my leave. I kind of just parked the car in a certain spot. I think there's more stuff down that way, so soon they'll have all roads here. But yeah, there we go. So I think what I'll do is I'm just going to end this video, and now we kind of have an idea of what a little bit more of Macau looks like over here. I'll just add on a little bit more, because this will all be different someday. All this these big piles of dirt will have buildings. These buildings will be viewed. This road to be named, and so yeah, this might be the only images really of this at this particular time in 2025. And I do want to kind of keep a record of stuff for posterity, just of the growth of Macau and what it was like exactly in moments of time. And I will come over here in the future and continually keep on top of it and kind of show you what it looks like as it changes into something different. Pretty exciting times, Macau. Just so you can better understand it, I'm right where that blue dot is at, so that's all of Macau right there. And then we're right there. And then I can basically see there's going to be several streets, so I'm kind of on like a middle street. Looks like there's two streets that go down the middle, and then two that go along the water. I'm kind of driving around more and kind of seeing what's all here. There's quite a bit more around, and yeah, pretty interesting. Yeah, Avenida do Mar, yeah. I might try to park again and maybe try to do some streets. But anyways, so this is, yeah, all these streets are labeled now too, so it is kind of interesting. So I just parked again, just kind of checking out all this stuff. It's all kind of new. So I was able to park in the parking garage. It's a public parking garage right where these buildings are at. So it's kind of, I don't think there's probably one of the first YouTubers to come here, I would imagine. Can't imagine another one being here. Yeah, anyways. Yeah, there's actually public parking now too, so 101, there's like several buses. So I was just here a few minutes ago. I think what I'm gonna do is I might try to film some streets. But anyways, Yeah, actually you can't really walk down a lot of these streets yet, so this is kind of blocks you from both sides. But anyways, we're gonna end this one. I think I am gonna try to do some street videos. But anyways, I'm gonna end it for this one, and then we're gonna try to do some street videos.